has nothing to do with bouncing back. And the reason is because by the time you try to go back, everything's changed. So this program is uniquely focused on moving forward. It's how do we move through disruption in a way that we can be energized and elevated for having gone through it. That's what resilience is all about. So the program increases resilience, stamina, and ability to come back stronger from disruption. It also increases your ability to manage stress. So insight into self-awareness and personal filters also come into this. And what you'll find is an awful lot of content that was embedded in former emotional intelligence work is really strongly coupled with resilience, because it really is about how do we increase our authenticity to drive stronger engagement and increase our adaptive capacity.